Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. Working on the 2019 RAV4 and we are doing installation for it. We want to replace this little cover on the door handle. We want to put LEDs on it. This is the company. I purchased this from Qunsunus. This is a really easy installation, but I was checking their page on Amazon, and I think we need to do a little modification to the driver's side wiring. It's really simple and easy. Let's start with this door and let's move to the other ones. The kit is right here. We have the lights, all the connectors. It's a plug and play system and a removal tool. We can start by removing the little covers. Here on the bottom, lift the door handle, and on the bottom you can put your tool, press on it so you can remove the little cover. Be gentle so you don't damage your plastics. By pressing on that side on the bottom, you're gonna be able to remove the little covers. Next step is gonna be removing the controls. On the back part, just press on it so you can start lifting out the controls. Once you pick it up, move it to the back so you release the front of the controls. Because the front, it has this little type of hook that is attached to it. You just have to pull it back. It has two connectors only. Press on the top of the connectors, one in here and one on this side. Make sure that you grab the correct cover. I'm gonna put the cable inside. You can put it from right here in the middle. It has a little hole in there. You can put it through there. We have the cable on the bottom. Just press to put the cover back on, and that's it. Looks like the original one. We have the connectors, and the big one, which is this one, is gonna be the main one. This one goes on the driver's side. What you gotta do on this connector is really simple. Connect this one right here. And the other one is gonna go on your controls. Make sure it clicks in place. The other one goes normal on the back. Now that you have that in place, the next one is gonna be the one for the light. I know this is the American SUV, so we're gonna check, see if we need to do some splicing on the wires. Yeah, the light is not on, and we need to do some splicing on the wires, but it's really simple. I'm gonna leave this for now. Let's move to the passenger side and then the other ones on the other side. Same process. I'm on the passenger side on the back. Only one connector and the control is out. Same thing for this one. Connector goes in this middle hole. Right in the middle it has the hole. Put it through there and just try to bring it down so you can catch it right here. Connector is right here. Same thing for this connector. This one goes on the stack connector, this one goes to the original wire harness, and this one goes to the cable from the LED. Okay, now we just gotta put cables inside. Let's try this light. If everything goes well, this one should be on, so we can just only work on the driver's side. If you see right there, ignition is on and the LED is working. I'm gonna do the same process on the other side. I don't need to show you that. Once I get that done, we're gonna move into the passenger side front. Okay, we're done with all three doors. This is the passenger side front. Same process. Two connectors and the same process to remove them. Another tip, which is simple, just to bring the cable down, straight down. Make sure that you straight the cable up, so when you put it on, it doesn't go everywhere. Try to keep it straight so you can catch the cable easy on its way down. Once you put it straight, makes it a lot easier to get it. Okay, we grab the connector, we'll put it this side. Is gonna go on the switch for the window right there. This side is gonna go to this switch. The other one, it goes to the same spot, and this for the LED. And one thing for you just to know, here inside they have a little fuse. If one of your lights go out, check the fuse first. Okay, let's turn the switch on. I choose to go with white. You can do white or blue. I prefer to do white. I like it a lot better. That's the back, and that's on the other side. I think this kit was made for European models. If you have here the connector this way, you're gonna have to cut this orange wire. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. On the 6th slot, you have an orange wire. Cut this one and then cut the negative side. You see right here, we have the negative side going from both sides of the connector. You have to cut this one, and that 6 orange wire, you need to splice it into the negative side. So the black ones, you're not gonna need them. You can cut it completely and just this orange, splice it into the black one. Okay, splice is been done with the orange. If you want to count the way they should be on this side, you will notice right here you have by cables, you have 1, 2, 3, and the next one after the red, that's the orange that you need to cut. Same thing on that side. On the other side, it's gonna be after the red one, the next to it, 4th cable, that's the orange that you need to cut. Splice both ends into the negative side, which we have everything complete. The negative side, You can cut it off completely on both sides. We don't need that. And this is what you have to do for the American vehicles. Okay, we're ready. I'm on the driver's side. Light is on. You have better visibility on the door handle, and the other ones turn on. This is a simple modification, but now the interior of the RAV4 looks a lot better. So this is for the 2019 and up Toyota RAV4, and link is gonna be in the description to get this light. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.